So this the auction right here, right? They didn't even get this the auction. Look. Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. We Hustle Daily. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another one. It's your boy, Big Play Ray, coming to y'all with another video, man. We in that Camry, dog. We in that Camry, homie. Y'all seen when I bought the Camry? If y'all ain't checked that video out, make sure you check it out. But we on our way to IAA, about to look up some more cars, guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Make sure you hit the like button, please. I appreciate y'all, man. And make sure y'all follow your boy on the gram. Y'all know the deal. wehustledaily.co. I don't know why y'all ain't been following me on the gram. And then make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. You already know. Go to wehustledaily.com if you don't want to end up on the side of the road. If you want to learn how to make money, if you want to learn how to check out cars, that's where you might want to be going before you try to come to the auction. Because the auction, you might end up buying a lemon. You know what I'm saying? If y'all don't know, I bought this car the other day, and guess what? I'm still driving it every single day. Auctions are not right up the street. You know what I'm saying? These auctions is pretty far. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, some of y'all not even making it up to the street, to the red light. So make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. We got about 8 cars to check out today. That's it, about 8 at this location. So we're gonna go in here, we're gonna check it out, and then we're gonna keep it on moving. Then I'm gonna go to a whole nother auction, which I might make a whole nother video. I might put it in this video, depends. We'll see. But we're gonna go check out these 8 cars. Like I say, it ain't a whole lot today, so we're gonna check out these 8. And that's gonna be what it is. Can y'all hear that noise that I've been talking about? Damn, it's the radio on, my bad. You hear it? It's like a do from that back wheel. You see what I'm saying? That's the only thing I've noticed about this car. The window. And y'all can still hear it. Y'all know what that is, man. Y'all let me know in them comments, man. Y'all hear it? I hope y'all can hear it, man. But y'all let me know what it is. But we pulling up on IAA right now. But other than that, man, this is gonna be the go-to car to drive if they want to drive. You know what I'm saying? I think it's a good car. I think they should keep it. But again, the decision is not up to me. It's up to them. So we'll see. But I have been driving this boy, man. And this boy been whipping. You hear it? I know y'all hear that. I hope y'all can hear it, man, but there you go. See? Hold on. See, and then when you hit a bump, like it don't feel like that wheel is like, this is what I meant. This is perfect. This is what I mean by on the side of the road. So this the auction right here, right? They didn't even get, this the auction. Look. Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. That car, they just bought this they bought that last week. Can you hear it? The noise? Psst, y'all better go to wehustledaily.com. Let's get it. Car number 1. A 2003 Suburban. 123 on the miles on this one though. Damn, it probably came from up north because you could see the rust in the dang on hood. Let's see what the hood look like. Ugh. A good 123,000 miles. Usually when they got this amount of low miles, yeah, this definitely came from up north. You can tell by the bolts and stuff. But when they got this amount of miles, they you know, they usually go pretty high. On these Vortec motors, and the inside look pretty straight. Yeah, I think they're gonna pay for this guy. I don't even know if I should be looking at this. Same color as the Toyota, huh? Oh my gosh. Ain't no power in this joint though, shawty. You can double check though. Yeah. So definitely no power on that. So, but with low miles like that, it should go for a pretty good number, man. Let's keep it moving. Next up, I know y'all would have wanted to look at. The hell is that noise? Y'all would have wanted to look at this. Hold on, let me look at the security on this Lexus real quick. Lexus NX. I just like Lexus entertainment system or whatever you want to call it. Nice little color. I'm starting to like, I don't like the light tan, but I'm starting to like this orangish type-ish, like not orange, but whatever damn color this is, man. But damn, they got the SRT wheels on that thing. Y'all see the SRT sign? Shiny. I like these wheels. Top, black. They didn't do the whole top though. But I like them wheels on here. Damn, you lifting that thing. I don't think this is the RT or nothing though. Damn, that sun messed up my whole shot. Let me see if I can get it this way. Yeah, that's better. But we got the black hood, man. The paint got some flakes in it now. I like the wheels on here. And then you get inside and it's just all just normal. So you got the cloth. Come on, dude. That's all you're gonna give me. 2010 Dodge Challenger, man. They changed the little shift knob thing here. Let's see. It does have power. Got a little bass knob. You probably have some beat in the trunk. Trying to see how much money they got on it for y'all, but I wonder if you got some exhaust on this damn thing. Make sure this side ain't all beat up. Yeah, it look good, y'all. Got the SRT wheels on it. 2010, 119 on the miles. It ain't nothing though. It ain't doing nothing though. V6, painted the that thing red. That's cool. You had some little touches to it. I like it. Still the V6 though, but hey, the ladies don't know, right? Ladies don't know. We won't even be able to hear how it sounds because it didn't crank up. So, damn. Let me see if I can figure out how much money they got on here for y'all real quick. My phone. $2,025 as of right now. So that's all they got as of right now. So y'all know this is pre-bid. So pre-bid is the, you know, how much they put on it before the actual auction. The actual auction is tomorrow. So that's because they have $2,000 on it. It'll go shoot up to 8 or something crazy by tonight, you know? But let's keep it moving. Car number 3, 2005 Altima. I know I said I wouldn't buy no more Nissans. 171 on the miles, but hey, we just gonna at least crank him up. You know, it's his job to convince me, but it already hasn't convinced me because it's on 2 flats. And I don't feel like dealing with that. And it says no battery on the freaking window. So no. This Navigator, what year is this one? This is not the new one, this is 17. I just want to look on the inside real quick. Step bars. Step bars on the Lincoln. Push to start on the Lincoln. Shiny buttons on the Lincoln. What is this? Oh, that's just how it opens. It's alright. Could have did a little bit more for me. Did a little bit more for me. Just in case y'all want to see the damage, there it is. Alright. Let's see what else we got, baby. So what's that, like car number 3? Damn, something flying around. We got this other Camry right here. Let's look at this. I remember seeing that in the pictures. Dude, what happened to the motor? This boy rusty too, son. Power or no? I think it does some power. Come on, huh, son? Oh, I remember this one. Yeah, I remember this one. I don't want this one. I want this car. Yeah. Is this the same car, bro? I don't know. Looks like it, though. I don't know. I'll check it out real quick. Let me see. I think. Come on, let me in that thing, man. It's clean, though. It's clean, though. It's clean. Can y'all see? Because I know that sun beaming. I don't know. I'm gonna give it a chance, man. Cause I thought this was the car from last week. What? It might not be. The flow kind of a little dirty, but it's all right though. It's all right though. What y'all think? Add another Camry to the collection or what? Let me check this car out and I'll be back 1 second. All right, we got a BMW 3 Series right here, looking all nice and beefy. They got a silver, just got a silver hood and a freaking the little BMW little colors or whatever, but it looked like it's lowered or something, and it got wheels on it or something. I like these. I had one of these before, not the coupe though, but I had the 4-door. This thing only got 100,000 miles on it. And by the way, that Camry was absolutely trash. Absolutely trash. Oh man, the light's already on. So man, no power, bruh. 102,000 miles, man. If this thing would have cranked up, I had bought a super clean one from here one time. Like when I say that thing was so dang gone clean, y'all, that thing was clean, boy. That thing was clean as hell, boy. But this is just me or what, man? But yeah, man, I see they probably tried to just put that silver on the hood. It looked lower like a mug. That joint lower like a mug. Y'all see it, man. What y'all think about the BMW? Let me know in the comments below. All right, I wanted to show y'all this one too. 1991 Camaro. What that say? Z28. 1991 Camaro hatchback. 151 on the miles. Old school, baby. My uncle had one of these. Long time ago. Black one. T-top. And he had a what was that joint? A Cutlass. I used to love riding my uncle back in the day, man, when I was young. But this joint, toe up. Hatchback, boy. Y'all see it, man. Old school Camaro, baby. Oh man, what that say on the dash? 140. 140 shorty. It got some stuff going on with it though, man. It needs some TLC for sure. Z28. What's the Z28? Z28. Come on, come on. Damn, this hood. Damn. Damn, the hood won't open all the way. Hope y'all can see what that is, man. Hood won't open all the way. That joint's stuck. I ain't gonna mess with that. But y'all see it though, this and everything. Yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about the Camaro, man. think we got like 2 more cars to go. All right, and we got the 4x4. We got spider webs. We got the 4x4 truck. Y'all know I'm kind of still looking for a truck. Still a little bit kind of like, damn, it won't be this truck. And I'm not gonna even look for that last car, that Nissan, man. That Nissan is it's a Nissan Versa 2009. I don't even want to look at it. You really didn't find it. I ain't found it. Walking all the way over here again. I'm good, and I'm good on this one too. It's a 5.4, 193 on the miles. What that say? 2004. It would have been good if it was cleaner, but I don't even want to crank it up or anything, y'all. It's bad, but shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. It's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. Appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com if y'all want to learn everything I know and how to check out these whips, man. I'm going to show you. You see what I'm saying? A lot of people, you just seen what happened early in the day. That car was here last week because I looked at it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I like buying little cheap cars like that. You know why I didn't buy it? That's why I didn't buy it, because they on the side of the road. They didn't even make it goddamn to the light. I'll be like, y'all on the side of the road, y'all shit. They didn't even make it to the damn, they didn't even make it damn out the damn auction gate all the way. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. It's your boy Ray. Big Play Ray. I seen a car on the side of the road today and I got it on camera. I'm gone. Peace.